Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for top-rated products and expert recommendations. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling tire products on Amazon. From rugged all-terrain options to high-performance favorites, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest in tire technology. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's talk about number 5 on our list of the best-selling tires on Amazon. Introducing the 480/4 00 8 inches tire inner tubes by Cenipar. Perfect for heavy-duty carts, hand trucks, garden carts, mowers, and more. This pack of 2 replacement inner tubes is just what you need to keep your equipment running smoothly. Let's dive into the specifics. First up, the size. These inner tubes are designed for 480/4 00 8 inches tires, which means they have an outside diameter of 15.5 inches. Make sure to check the size before you make a purchase to ensure compatibility. Each pack includes 2 inner tubes, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Quality is crucial when it comes to tire inner tubes, and Cenipar doesn't disappoint. Made from isobutylene isoprene rubber, these tubes boast excellent air tightness and resistance to aging. This means you can rely on them to last longer and perform better, reducing the chances of unexpected flats. Now let's talk about usage. Imagine this scenario. You experience a blowout with your 480/4 00 8 tire. Instead of buying a whole new wheel, just replace the inner tube. It's a cost-effective and straightforward solution that gets you back on track without breaking the bank. Installation is a breeze. These heavy-duty inner tubes are designed for easy installation, taking approximately 10 minutes to get the job done. No need for special tools, just avoid overfilling during inflation, and you're good to go. Lastly, remember that Cenipar is here for you. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. They are committed to providing the best support to ensure your satisfaction. So there you have it, the Cenipar 480/4 00 8 inches tire inner tubes, a top choice for durability and convenience. Keep your equipment in top shape with these high-quality inner tubes. Now let's delve into number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling tires on Amazon. Presenting the Starfire Solarus as all-season 215/55R 1794V tire, a true standout in the world of tires. This isn't just any tire, it's a 50,000-mile journey companion designed for all seasons. First things first, let's talk about that impressive 50,000-mile warranty. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your tire is built to last. Whether you're commuting to work daily or planning a cross-country road trip, this tire promises reliability and endurance. Next up, the Starfire Solarus AS is an all-season touring tire. It's perfect for those who crave miles and miles of driving with consistent performance. Good traction? Check. Fuel economy? Absolutely. This tire is engineered to deliver excellent grip on both dry and wet roads while helping you save at the pump. But that's not all. The M+S rating means it's ready to tackle mud and snow, making it a versatile choice for various driving conditions. Whether it's a sunny summer day or a snowy winter morning, this tire keeps you moving forward with confidence. And let's not forget who's behind this masterpiece, the Cooper Tire and Rubber Company. With their reputation for quality and innovation, you can trust that the Starfire Solarus AS is crafted to meet the highest standards. So there you have it. The Starfire Solarus as all-season 215/55R 1794V tire. It's more than just a tire. It's a reliable partner for all your journeys, offering durability, performance, and efficiency. Drive with confidence, no matter where the road takes you. Moving on to number 3 in our top 5 best-selling tires on Amazon. Get ready for the grand ride set of 4 free country trailer tires. S225/75R15, 10 Ply Load Range E, steel belted radials with an impressive scuff guard feature, and an 8 mm tread depth. Let's dive into the details. First off, this set includes 4 premium radial trailer tires, each measuring 225/75R15. These aren't just any trailer tires, they are manufactured by Free Country, a brand synonymous with reliability and quality. Designed for heavy-duty performance, these tires boast a 10-ply rating and a load range E, ensuring they can handle even the most demanding loads. Now, what sets these tires apart? The full cap ply. Unlike many competitors that only have nylon strips on the shoulder area, these tires feature a nylon overlay across the entire tread area. This significant upgrade adds a critical safety feature, providing extra strength and stability where it's needed most. Another standout feature is the scuff guard ring on the tire wall. This clever addition offers superior side protection, reducing wear and tear from those inevitable bumps and scrapes. Combine this with the 8 mm deep tread depth, much deeper than the 5.6 mm you'll find on cheaper alternatives, and you've got a tire that's built to last. Durability, longer mileage life, and enhanced performance are all part of the package. And let's talk speed. With a steel-belted construction and a speed rating of M, these tires are designed to handle speeds up to 81 miles per hour. That's peace of mind and performance all rolled into one. Keep in mind, these tires are designed specifically for trailer use, and rims are not included. So if you're looking to upgrade your trailer's performance with a set of tires that offer unparalleled safety, durability, and protection, the Grand Ride set of 4 Free Country trailer tires is your go-to choice. Experience the difference that quality and thoughtful engineering make, and hit the road with confidence. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tires on Amazon? Well, don't let the excitement deflate. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your tire knowledge rolling smoothly. Now let's dive into number 2 on our list of the best-selling tires on Amazon. Introducing the Fullway HP 108 All-Season Passenger Car Performance Radial Tire, size 205/55R16, with a load range SL and a 4-ply rating. This tire is designed to deliver exceptional performance, no matter the season. First, let's talk about versatility. This tire is crafted for all-season use, meaning it's engineered to perform in various weather conditions. Whether it's the heat of summer, the chill of winter, or those unpredictable spring showers, the Fullway HP 108 is ready to tackle it all, providing reliable traction and stability. Now, let's focus on performance. This isn't just any radial tire, it's a performance radial tire. What does that mean for you? It means superior handling, precise steering response, and a smoother, more comfortable ride. Designed for passenger cars, this tire ensures you get the best driving experience, combining safety and comfort seamlessly. The Fullway HP 108 boasts a load range SL, which stands for standard load, with a 4-ply rating. This indicates a tire that's robust and resilient, capable of supporting the weight and demands of everyday driving. It's built to last, and to maintain its performance throughout its lifespan. Let's not overlook the details. The tire features a black sidewall, adding a sleek and stylish touch to your vehicle, and with a UTQG rating of 380 AA, it offers excellent treadwear, traction, and temperature resistance. This rating assures you of a high-quality tire that performs well in critical areas. The Fullway HP 108 is more than just a tire. It's a commitment to quality and performance. It's designed to keep you safe and comfortable on the road, no matter where your journey takes you. From daily commutes to weekend getaways, this tire is your reliable companion, ready to deliver exceptional performance every mile of the way. So there you have it, the Fullway HP 108 All-Season Passenger Car Performance Radial Tire. For those seeking a tire that combines versatility, performance, and durability, look no further. Drive with confidence, knowing you've got one of the best tires on the market keeping you safe on the road. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. Number 1 on our list of the best-selling tires on Amazon is the AR Pro 2-Pack 2, 50 halves. 75, 10 dirt bike replacement inner tubes. These heavy-duty inner tubes are compatible with a variety of dirt bike models, including the Honda CRF 50 and XR50, Razor MX 650 and MX 500, Suzuki DRZ 70 and JR 50, and Yamaha PW 50, among others. Let's talk premium quality. These inner tubes are designed for 14-inch OD tires with a 10-inch rim and tire widths ranging from 2.5 to 2.75 inches. They're a universal fit for motorbikes with 49cc, 50cc, and 70cc engine displacements, making them incredibly versatile and reliable. Now, compatibility is key. A tire is only as good as its inner tube, and with this 2-pack set, you'll be ready for any flats that might come your way, whether it's your front or rear tire. These tubes fit stock tires of popular dirt bike brands, ensuring you're covered no matter what you ride. Durability is paramount in extreme sports, and AR Pro understands this. Made from 2 mm thick, shock-absorbent butyl rubber, these inner tubes are designed to prevent explosive punctures with their self-sealing properties. This means more peace of mind for you as you tackle those rugged trails or tracks. Maximum impact absorption is a standout feature. These thick, shock-absorbent butyl inner tubes offer exceptional riding performance by dampening impacts effectively. Bumps and dips on or off the road won't be much of an issue, allowing for a smoother and more enjoyable ride. What sets AR Pro apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. Their US-based customer support team is ready to assist you, ensuring you have a seamless experience with their products. Durable, dependable, and designed to make your life easier, that's the AR Pro promise. So there you have it, the R Pro 2-Pack 2, 50 halves, 75, 10 dirt bike replacement inner tubes. The ultimate choice for any dirt bike enthusiast, offering unmatched quality, compatibility, and peace of mind. Ride with confidence, knowing you've chosen the best. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling tires on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.